Okay guys, I'm finishing up a game, but first I have to get something from the attic. Let's do that. Yeah, so that's the problem with having an attic. Junk. So, the reason I'm up here. First, let me get up here. The reason I'm doing all this is because I have a great idea for the trailer for my new game. Mixing some real life video with some gameplay footage. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen, I'm not sure if it looks good enough, but I'm gonna give it a try. So for that I need some props for the setting. And I think the props I want are somewhere back there. So yeah, you know where the camera is that I'm looking for? The other attic. Right. Okay, thanks honey. Bye. The other attic. You know what? I'm gonna hunt this thing down. I know what I'm searching for. I'll see you guys back downstairs in a bit. I found it. I was looking for one and I found two very old cameras. I don't think they still work, but they should look very cool in what I have in mind for the trailer. But I'll show you more about that trailer when I actually start making it. I still need to get some props for it and write down a few ideas. In the meantime, let me tell you about my game. So originally the idea I had for this game was a single screen with the main character and two choices. You can either attack something or you can leave the room. But items, characters, enemies, monsters, everything you encounter usually has different ways to tackle it. So for a locked gate, normally it would need a key, or maybe you need to slash a monster for it to open. But there are also a few other items that can open a locked gate. So I looked a lot at what makes a roguelike. Normal roguelikes won't tell you what a potion is. Every game, the red potion can be something different than the previous game. I think that's a bit messy. It's too much randomness. So right now in this game, every potion has two functions. A health potion can give you health or it can take you health. An awareness potion can either make you invisible, so monsters won't see you, or it can make you smelly and monsters will be much more aware of you. So I added stuff like that to this game. It's still a roguelike, but it's more open for a bigger audience, I hope. The game is nearing completion. My target date was March, April maybe. It will release on iPhone, Android and PC. I'm not sure what order. That's something I still have to figure out. Right now, the only few things left are adding an ending to the game, an end boss, and probably add some achievements. I still have to create the trailer, obviously, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, so 3 tips I have for completing a game. Don't leave boring stuff for the end. When you're nearing the final stretch, you're usually already working on the game for a very long time and you just want to have it done. Having only the boring stuff or the hard stuff left, that's just not gonna make you happy. Don't leave it till the end. Tip 2 is set a hard deadline for yourself. It's just the prototype stage, you can just do whatever you want. At some point it will turn into a game and you should set a deadline. It can just be a few months from now, like I'm gonna release a game in October. But when you get closer to that deadline, you should set a very hard deadline. I'm gonna release on the 14th of October. So you have something to work towards. A deadline like that hopefully gives you enough pressure to work towards it and complete the tasks. Finish what you have, wrap it up, because there's a deadline. The game has to be done at that deadline. And the final tip is have a to-do list and a bug list. You can write them down, you can use a site like Trello like I do. It doesn't matter what you use, but have 2 lists. At some point when you're nearing a deadline, stop adding to the to-do list. Any idea you have could go into what I usually call a scribble and ideas list. I just dump everything in there, but stop adding to your to-do list. Make sure you can clear the bug list, make sure you clear the current to-do list, but don't add new stuff to it. And that's it for this week. So if you like the video, if you like my weekly videos, please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and see you next week. Bye.
Ryan Little.